नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड टेक्नॉलॉजी। आज आपण बघणार आहोत महाराष्ट्र टीचर एबिलिटी इंटेलिजन्स टेस्टबद्दलची माहिती सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला। द महाराष्ट्र टीचर एप्टिट्यूड अँड इंटेलिजन्स टेस्ट। द महाराष्ट्र TIT महाराष्ट्र टीचर एबिलिटी अँड इंटेलिजन्स टेस्ट is a requirement exam for teacher in Maharashtra, designed to assess aptitude, reasoning and subject knowledge, and the selection process involve a written examination. Here a more details background. First, what is it? TIT is a Maharashtra Teacher Aptitude and Intelligence Test, a requirement exam for teacher in Maharashtra. Purpose: it is assess the teaching aptitude, cognitive skills and subject knowledge of candidate. Selection process: the selection process begins with a written examination. Exam conduct: the exam typically cover topics like aptitude, reasoning, language ability and other relevant areas. Job profile: secondary teacher, provide education to students for 6th to 12th standard, develops lesson plan, check assignment and provide feedback. Then primary teacher, educates students from 1st to 5th standard, encourage children and uses creative learning resources. Ability: candidate must hold a graduate degree for a recognized university. There is no age limit to be ability for the exam. Exam pattern: the exam has two papers, aptitude 120 marks and intelligence 80 marks for a total of 200 marks. Exam preparation: textbook offer coaching and resource of TIT or TIT preparation. Website: we can find more information on the Maharashtra State Council of Examination Pune website. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट्स करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.